Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anda Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida. Here at Malescu Law, we specialize in serving Florida companies and foreign companies and investors in the area of business, corporate, and immigration law. If you need to reach out to us, you have our information in this video and below this video. Today, we are going to speak about what are the national interest exceptions for applying and getting an H-1B visa at U.S. consulates and embassies abroad prior to December 31st, 2020. As a reminder, the Trump administration executive order of June 22, 2020 suspends the processing of H-1B visas at U.S. consulates and embassies abroad until December 31, 2020. But if you have already an H-1B visa in your passport as of June 24, 2020, or you are physically present in the United States on June 24, 2020, then your spouse, and your dependent children are not impacted by this executive order. However, if you are impacted by the order, then you can still apply for an H-1B visa and get the visa in your passport at U.S. consulates and embassies abroad prior to December 31st, 2020, if you fall under one of the following national interest exceptions. First, the national interest exception. You travel to the United States as a public health or healthcare professional or a researcher in order to improve the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Or you travel to the United States to conduct ongoing medical research in an area with a substantial public health benefit, such as cancer disease research. Second national interest exception. You travel to the United States at the request of a U.S. government agency or U.S. department or U.S. entity in order to meet critical foreign policy objectives or to satisfy treaty or contractual obligations. Here it includes traveling to the United States to provide IT support or IT services or conduct research at the request of a U.S. government agency and others. Third national interest exception. You travel to the United States in order to resume employment with the same company in the same position and the same H-1B visa classification. Fourth national interest exception. You are a technical specialist or a senior level manager or other worker, and your travel to the United States is necessary to support the immediate and continued economic recovery of the United States. In order to fall under this national interest exception and to schedule an interview and get an H-1B visa prior to December 31st, 2020, then you must meet at least two of the following 5 criteria. 1. The petitioning U.S. company has a continued need for the services or labor to be performed by the H-1B applicant in the United States. If the labor condition application, the LCA, was approved by the U.S. Department of Labor in July or after July 2020, then likely it will account for the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, if the labor condition application was approved by the Department of Labor prior to July 2020, then the consular officer will decide based on the H-1B application whether there is a continued need for the H-1B visa worker in the United States. 2. The wage rate paid to the H-1B visa applicant meaningfully exceeds the prevailing wage rate by at least 15%. 3. The H-1B visa applicant's education, training, and experience demonstrate unusual expertise in the specialty occupation in which the H-1B visa worker will be employed. 4. Denial of the H-1B visa application pursuant to this executive order will cause financial hardship for the U.S. employer. 5. The H-1B visa applicant's proposed job duties and position within the sponsoring U.S. company indicate that the individual will provide significant and unique contributions to an employer that meets a critical infrastructure need. There are certain critical infrastructure need sectors that are included in this criteria. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to contact us about the national interest waivers for the H-1B visa, you have our information in this video and below this video. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Bye.